So this is the first job opening that we have, which is in Ajax Network Solution. Okay, so someone is hiring for couple of position. Position is junior technical support engineer, which is in cybersecurity. So it's a job is in Ahmedabad, right? And this is for freshers. Okay, so freshers can apply. Okay. ये contact number, if you have any question something you can ask, and this is the mail ID of HR where you can drop your resume, right? The next one is Imminence is they are looking for freshers once again. Okay, so they want someone with the VAPT knowledge, they want someone with the scripting, Python, Bash scripting knowledge, and they want someone with the OAS, SANS, all those basic knowledge, right? तो उनको एक pen tester चाहिए, security analyst चाहिए, and this is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Next is cybersecurity VAPT consultant. So RSM India is a company who are looking for cybersecurity VAPT consultant, those who can do VAPT. So this is for the experienced folks. Okay, this is for the experienced folk, and they want minimum 3 years of experience, right? CEH is compulsory. Okay, if you have OSCP, then this will be plus point. Again, job is in Mumbai. Job छोड़ के join करना है तो notice period should be maximum 45 days. Yeah, 45 days maximum notice period. And this is mail ID ankit.jadhav@rsmindia.com on which you can apply. And अगर SOC वगैरह में तो don't apply because they are not going to consider you. Next is Camden Health System. So they are hiring for DevOps engineer. This is not in cybersecurity, but your developers join karte hain, so this job is for you. Okay, it want again freshers friendly. It want minimum 1 years of experience, 1 to 2 years, and location is 195 G3 Johar Town Phase 2. I guess it's in Noida. Just let me know where this place is, and the mail ID hra@camdenhealthsys.com, right? Next is someone is looking for someone जो कि HR as a act can act as a HR for the cybersecurity folks. So they are looking for technical IT recruiter HR, which is who have experience in cybersecurity. Okay, so the mail ID is info@trainifytraining.trainings.com. Okay, so here you can apply. Next opening is in global experts. Okay, they are hiring for L2. Yeah, this is for experience. They want minimum 3 years of experience. This is work from office, right? And 24/7 shift. Okay, and 10 days should be the notice period, and mail ID sipra.paliwal@gxinetworks.com. So this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume. That's all for today. If you have any questions, please ask.